Hi, I'm Ryan Warburton and delighted to be here today to launch this microgrid at the Cadell Almond Farm. It's an incredible site, we're incredibly proud of it, and we're incredibly proud of the relationship that we've built with AFS and the team over the time that we've been developing this project. It's a 4.9 megawatt solar system and it's about 2 times the size of the MCG. It's a really impressive and large installation. It's got a 5.4 megawatt hour battery on it and it's got about 7 kilometres of underground high voltage cabling.
It's been a fantastic journey working closely with AGL to design and build renewable energy solutions that will help our almond operations to decarbonise.
It's a great example of what joining the change can look like for our customers and a demonstration of sustainability, reliability and affordability coming into action.